Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We will present the results of the analysis of linguistic science at Soekarno-Hatta Airport. Topic of discussion: 1. Pragmatics, 2. Semiotics, 3. Linguistic landscapes. And our team, Adis Ramada, Bismi Nugraha Al-Mualim, Boda Zakiyah Mubarakah. Sample 1. Departure gates, toilet or restrooms, rest area, nursery room, travelator, restaurants, and shopping area. Pragmatics for sample 1. The science performs an assertive speech act as it provides factual information about the location of various essential facilities, such as departure gates, restrooms, rest area, nursery rooms, travelator, restaurants, and shopping area. The purpose is to inform passengers and ensure they can easily locate these facilities in the airport. The science addresses the practical needs of users' domestic flights and international flights, serving a functional role in reducing confusions and improving passenger experience. Semiotics for sample 1. Denotation. At the denotative level, the signage provides directional information for navigating through the airport. It clearly labels the departure gates, toilet or restrooms, rest area, nursery room, travelator, restaurants, and shopping area with associated icons. E. Departure gates, airplane symbol about to take off. B. Toilet or restroom, common restroom symbol. C. Nursery room, symbol or mother caring for a child. D. Travelator, the symbol of passenger walks through the travelator. Restaurants, symbol of set of cutlery. F. Rest area, symbol of passengers are resting. G. Shopping area, symbol of people are pushing trolleys. Connotations. Systematization of airport mobility. The science reflects the systematization of airport mobility by organizing space efficiently and providing clarity and comfort to users. The following connotations emerge. A. Inclusivity and accessibility. The presence of a nursery room emphasizes a space that is sensitive to the comfort of children and mothers. B. Modern efficiency, clear labeling and use of symbols optimize navigation, helping passengers move quickly and confidently in a crowded transportation hub. C. Equipment and needs. The presence of restaurants and shopping room symbols shows readiness to provide and serve the needs for passenger welfare. D. Multilingual text, Indonesian, English, Arabic, Japanese, and Chinese, highlights the position of the international airport, which accommodates both locals and foreign passengers. Bahasa Indonesia, written in the top row and in larger font, shows that it is the primary language of the majority populations. Myth. At the mythological level, the sign reflects the ideals of an orderly, modern, and efficient urban environment, a symbol of progress. The organized and clear spatial layout projects an image of domestic and international modernization, where infrastructure is designed to meet the needs of a diverse, globalized society. B. Practically in design. Placing the signboard in upper position parallel to other notice boards so that there are no mistakes in seeing the sign and ensure that the information can be conveyed clearly. C. Collective well-being. The access to facilities such as shopping areas and food markets shows readiness to meet passengers' consumption needs. Linguistic landscape for sample 1. The following are signs found at airports that use English or local languages depending on where the country is located. Their function is to provide directional information. Airports often serve people from various countries, so the use of English and local languages is an option so that they can be easily understood. They have a blue background and are written in yellow and blue. There are pictures so that you can see the signs without having to read the text. They are placed in high place so that you can see it from a distance. Sample 2. Disability Zone. Pragmatics from Sample 2. This signs is an assertive speech act because it provides factual information about the disembarkation place for disabled passengers, which is colored yellow. The aim is to make it easier for disabled passengers to get out of the vehicle so they don't have to rush to ensure passengers get off safely at the airport. The sign answers the need for disabled passengers to have a special drop zone for their comfort when they arrive at the airport.
And for semiotic denotation on a literal level, the sign indicates a special zone for people with disability. It displays a symbol of a person sitting in a wheelchair drawn in white.
And for connotation, this connotation goes beyond the literal meaning to convey deeper implication. A. Ease of access, the provision of special area for people with a disability make it uh, easier for disabled passenger to get out of the vehicle, reducing negative impact if the situation is not conducive. B. Social norms. Accepting the existence of special facility for passenger with uh, disability uh, uh, reflect a sense of empathy and tolerance in public space. C. Efficiency and comfort. This restriction symbolizes the desire for passenger efficiency as well as an organized, safe, and comfortable environment, uh, which is in line with behavioral expectation at public transportation hub, such as airport. The uh, 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 idea of discipline, orderly operation, and social comfort reflect a modern and orderly society. A discipline and order. This instruction is in line with the regulation imposed by Ireland as a result of society expectation of aviation, where each individual is responsible for following and carrying out their job description to the maximum extent uh, possible. This myth show that public space must be orderly and safe for all users. B. Uh, collective welfare. These limitations show a collective effort to prioritize time efficiency and and passenger safety. See practicality in uh, design. Placing signet on the asphalt rather rather than the traditional vertical position serve as a response to the busy airport environment, as well as transportation visibility, uh, ensuring visibility even in busy condition. And for the more meat, this unconventional design highlight uh, the ability and innovation in overcoming real world real world challenge. And for the D, additionally, uh, the use of yellow marks carrying uh, cultural and psychological association in common culture. The color yellow symbolizes warning and or priority. What is meant by design is that the route that the vehicle takes when disembarking passenger must follow the zone that has been marked so that accidents do not occur when disembarking passenger. The weight of picture of disabled people show that the area provides specifically for disabled people. The color uh, emphasizes the safe zone for disembarking disability passenger. And for the linguistic landscape, here's a sign that we often find at the airport, namely a parking space for the disabled to wheelchair shape shine on a yellow background indicate a parking space specifically for the disabled. which visually support inclusivity. The choice of Barrichello increases visibility and give impression of a warning special attention. This reflects how public space is organized through universally recognized symbols. There, the placement of a of a granite sign in front of the zebra crossing emphasizes the accessibility aspect that is prioritized in this location. And for the next sample, we have a drop zone, and here's the pragmatic. And for the pragmatist design carry out a directive speech act that order the driver to drop off passenger in the area of this symbol line. This is a regulation recommended by airport for the smooth running and safety of all parties. Violator will immediately receive a warning from security officer. This speech act as is intended to guide officer by signaling clear restriction to create a safer and more comfortable uh, public space. For from a pragmatic point of view, this directive is in line with the institutional objective of implementing action in airport area and compliance with regulation in shared public areas. Test. And for the pragmatic uh, analyze design carry out a directive speech act that order the driver to drop off passenger in the area of this symbol line. This is a regulation recommended by airport for for the smooth running and safety of all parts. Violator will immediately receive a warning from security officer. This this speech act is intended to guide officer by signaling clear restriction to uh, to create a safer and more comfortable public space. From a pragmatic point of view, this directive is in line with the institutional objective of implementing action in airport areas and compliance with regulation ensured in public areas. And for the pragmatics design carry out a directive speech act that orders the driver to drop off passenger in that area of the symbolized. This is a regulation recommended by airport for the smooth running and safety of all parts. Violator will immediately receive a warning from security officer. This speech act is intended to guide officers by signaling clear restriction to create a safer and more comfortable public space. From a pragmatic point of view, this directive is in line with the institutional objective of implementing action in airport areas and compliance with regulation in shared public areas. And for semiotic denotation and at a literal level, uh, the sign uh, display both capital letters uh, clearly and a large visual components such as yellow line and red background uh, indicate warnings as well as the word drop zone as confirmation that the transportation must must drop off passenger in that area. For the semiotic denotation at a literal level, design display bold capital letter uh, 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 clearly and large. Visual components such as yellow lines and red backgrounds indicate warning as well as as the word drop off zone as confirmation that the transportation must drop off passenger in that area. And more for the connotation, this connotation goes beyond its literal meaning but has the deeper implication. A. Awareness and safety. Careless disembarkation is not only dangerous for the driver but also the passenger. So discipline in following instruction is very important in this situation. B. Order and convenience. This restriction symbolizes the desire for operational order and an organized and disciplined environment, which is in line with passenger comfort expectation at public transportation hub, such as airport. And for the myth, the idea of discipline, orderly operation, and community's comfort reflect a modern and orderly society. A disciplined order. This instruction is in line with the regulation imposed by airlines as a resulting of society expectation for aviation, where each a, individual is responsible for, for following and carrying out their job description to the maximum extent uh, extent possible. Mm, This myth show that public space must be orderly and safe for all users, be collective welfare. This restriction indicate a collective effort to prioritize time efficiency, and safety of airlines and their passengers. See practicality in design. Practi- Placing sign on the asphalt rather than traditional vertical position serve as respond to the busy airport environment. And the uh, additionally, the use of red and yellow sign carries cultural and psychological association. In common culture, the color red and yellow symbolize danger or warning. What is meant by this sign is that the path that the aircraft must follow the zone that has been marked so that there are no passenger accidents uh, during the disembarkation of passenger. The color impatience safe zone for disembarking passenger. And for the linguistic landscape, and here a picture of Terop zone with a bright red background and yellow writing that serve to attract attention and is in English so that everyone can easily understand. Located below at the drop zone at the airport is to provide clear information about a special area for dropping off passengers or goods. This text, which is usually clear and easy to read, serves to regulate social behavior, such as informing that the zone is only for temporary passenger drop-off, not for parking. And for the next sample will be continued by Fuada. For the sample 4, we have emergency exit. Okay.
Pragmatics. Design perform a directive speech act that inform everyone to use the emergency or if an emergency situation occur in the symbol area. This is a regulation recommended by the airport for the smooth running and safety of all parties. The speech act is intended as a rescue or evacuation route by giving clear symbolic signal to create a safer and more comfortable public space. From a pragmatic point of view, this directive is in line with the institutional objectives of implementing measures in airport areas and compliance with regulation in shared public Denotation. At a literal level, the sign display with text clearly and large. Besides that, there is also a symbol of a person running. Visual components such as a green background indicate a safe zone, as well as the words emergency exit as confirmation that there is an evacuation route that can be used to save oneself. Connotation. This connotation go beyond the literal meaning to convey deeper implication. A. Ease of access, providing a special route for everyone to facilitate the rescue process when an emergency situation occurs. Just negative impact if the situation is not conducive. B. Social norm, setting special facilities for all parties at the airport. Reflect a sense of alertness in public space. C. Efficiency and convenience. Design symbolizes the desire for organized and safe public efficiency, which is in line with behavioral expectation in public transport hubs such as airport. Need. The idea reflects discipline, evacuation order, and community security. A. Discipline and order. This instruction is aligned with the directives imposed by airlines for the safety of everyone at the airport, where everyone is responsible for being prepared if an emergency situation occurs. This myth shows that public space must be orderly and safe for all users. B. Collective welfare. This restriction demonstrates a collective effort to prioritize time, efficiency, and safety of airlines and their passengers. C. Practicality in design. Placing signage overhead rather than the traditional vertical position serves as a response to the busy airport environment as well as transportation visibility, ensuring line of sight visibility even in busy conditions. This conventional design highlights adaptability and innovation in overcoming real-world challenges. D. Additionally, use of green and white markings in common culture. The colors green and white symbolize security and safety. What is meant by design is a route that can be accessed when the situation is urgent. Follow the signs that have been written the just last of life when a disaster occurs. The color emphasizes the safe zone for escape. Linguistic landscape. The sign that we often find at the airport is emergency exit. Using English with a green background equipped with an people running and around sign and around. The image provides directional information for passengers. The use of English is used because the effort is an international space, showing inclusivity and convenience for global travelers. Airports often serve users from various countries, so the use of English reflects globalization and the use of a striking yellow color draws attention, while the airplane icon and row make it easier to understand without having to read the text. The last sample number 5, smoking room.
Pragmatics. Design perform a directive speech act that inform everyone to use the emergency or if an emergency situation occurs in the symbol area. This is a regulation recommended by the airport for the smooth running and safety of all parties. The speech act is intended as a rescue or evacuation route by giving clear symbolic signal to create a safer and more comfortable public space. From a pragmatic point of view, this directive is in line with the institutional objectives of implementing measures in airport areas and compliance with regulation in shared public areas. Semiotics denotation. At the denotative level, signage provides directional information to navigate a place, namely a special place for smoking. It clearly labels smoking areas with a cigarette icon. Connotation. The sign reflects the systematization of population mobility, organized space efficiently, and provide clarity and comfort. The following connotation appear: A. Modern efficiency. Clear labeling and use of symbol optimize navigation, helping passengers find where they want to go. B. Safety and maintenance. There is a special smoking room symbol connected readiness for situation if passengers want to smoke and concern for other passengers to avoid cigarette smoke from smokers. C. Text in English as an international language, highlighting the location of the airport use international transportation, accommodating local passengers and foreign passengers. Myth. At the mythological levels, signs reflect the ideal order, modern and efficient environment. A. Symbol of progress, an orderly and clear spatial layout projecting a picture of modernization where infrastructure designed to meet the needs of a diverse global society. B. Discipline and order. The symbol is in harmony with society expectation for disciplined behavior in shared public space, where the individual is responsible for maintaining clean lines and respectful environment. This myth suggests that public space must be orderly and safe for all users. So it is hoped that the availability of this room will ensure that smokers understand that their action can harm other people if they are not done in a special place. C. Practicality in the site. Place signage on walls in a vertical position only in responsive busy airport environment. Adaptability and innovation in overcoming real-world challenges. Linguistic landscape. Then, for the next sign, saw a sign for a smoking room. The sign has a picture of a cigarette with smoke on a blue background, which tells that this place is for people who want to smoke. The blue color on the sign gives the impression of information, not prohibition, so people know this is a special place, not for everyone. The sign helps people find the room easily. The words ruang merokok and and smoking room are made in two languages, mainly Indonesian and English, so that everyone can understand it, both those from Indonesian and from abroad. Conclusion: this study highlights the rich variety of linguistic signs present at Soekarno-Hatta International Airport, which significantly enhance passenger ability to navigate and access the extensive facilities provided by the airlines. Beyond facilitating ease of access, these signs play a crucial role in ensuring passenger safety and security. They help maintain order by providing clear warning, provision, and instruction, thus contributing to a well-organized and safe airport environment for all travelers.